In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check AGI on TurboTax. If you need to find your AGI or adjusted gross income, one simple way to get closer to that information in TurboTax is by moving through the final review and filing screens. I'll walk you through exactly what to click so you can follow along without getting confused. Start by going into your TurboTax return and looking for the final review section. Once you see it, click on Final Review. This area is where TurboTax checks your return for issues and prepares you for the filing process, so it's a normal place to visit when you're trying to confirm final tax details. After that, click on Check My Return. This tells TurboTax to review everything you've entered so far. Depending on your return, this may take a moment, so just give it a few seconds if the page needs time to load. When the review is complete, click Continue. This will move you forward to the next screen in the process. From here, the main idea is to keep advancing through the prompts so you can reach the later filing screens where more return summary information becomes visible. So next, continue clicking. Continue as you move through the following pages. The exact wording on some screens may vary slightly depending on your return, but the goal is simply to keep going forward. As you do this, take your time and read each page before moving on, just to make sure you don't accidentally change anything important. Eventually, you'll come to an option that says Skip and File. Go ahead and click Skip and File. This lets you move past extra optional sections and continue toward the part of TurboTax where your federal return information is shown more clearly. After that, you'll see the federal funds section. This is the screen you're trying to reach. Once you're here, you can review the federal return details shown on the page. If you're checking your AGI as part of confirming information from your tax return, this is the point where you'll want to carefully review the summary details available in TurboTax. As a quick tip, make sure you do not submit anything unless you're actually ready to file. You're just navigating through the review and filing flow to access your return information, so move carefully and double check what's on screen. If needed, you can also compare what you see here with your tax documents for accuracy. That's how to check AGI on TurboTax by navigating through Final Review and the filing screens.